So the order here is 150 milligrams. Let's just understand what we have. The order, the label of the drug says there are 500 milligrams of the dry ingredient. That's the full contents of the vial. And the reconstitution instructions say we should add 1.8 mils of water or sterile diluent to yield that concentration, 250 milligrams per mil. So to answer this question, all we need to do first is just read that information and understand what they are saying and what they are asking. So they are asking about the volume of diluent that we need to mix to obtain a concentration. So let's see what we do. They are telling us to mix what? The 1.8 mils. So imagine, let's have it on the side here. We have the vial. We're going to add 1.8 mils of diluent to obtain, we just copy the information, it's here, the 250 milligrams suspended in invisible 1 mil. So there's no calculation for this part. The calculation comes only at the part where we have to calculate how much we're going to inject. So for that part, what we have to do is we can use the formula 1/2 times the volume. So what we want is the order 150 milligrams. Remember to always add the unit next to the quantity. Then what we have comes from the concentration. The concentration is this simplified concentration we have here, which is 250 milligrams per invisible 1 mil. So we need the milligrams because that's what we have here in the fraction, 250 multiplied by, so let's just tidy it up here. So we have the 150 is the order, what we want, and the have must match that unit, so we use the 250 milligrams, and the third number or the volume is that 1 mil. We multiply this fraction by. As we always say, the milligrams cancel out, answer will come out in mils, and all we need to do is divide 150 by 250, so we get 0.6 mils. So this is what we inject, 0.6 mils. But we have to first prepare the drug. Reconstituting is turning the dry ingredient in the vial into a solution that can be extracted and then injected.